5 Yoga Tips for Beginners. Start your journey to wellness. Introduction. Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Health and Wellness Tips. I'm thrilled to be your guide on today's journey into the world of yoga. If you're new here or new to yoga altogether, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into the 5 essential yoga tips that every beginner should know. So, roll out your mat, find a comfortable space, and let's begin. Tip 1. Listen to your body. First things first, always remember that your body is your best teacher. We'll discuss how to tune in and honor your body's signals, ensuring a safe and enjoyable practice. Tip 2. Focus on breath. Breath is the heart of yoga. I'll guide you through the basics of mindful breathing, helping you sync your movement with each inhale and exhale to create a more harmonious practice. Tip 3. Master basic poses. We'll explore a handful of foundational yoga poses, breaking down their alignment and benefits. These poses will be the building blocks of your practice, helping you gain flexibility and strength. Tip 4. Create a consistent routine. Consistency is key. I'll share tips on how to establish a regular yoga routine that suits your schedule, ensuring that you make progress and experience the transformative effects of yoga. Tip 5. Embrace patience and progress. Yoga is a journey, not a destination. I'll discuss the importance of embracing patience, setting realistic expectations, and celebrating every step of your progress. Congratulations! You're now armed with 5 essential tips to kickstart your yoga journey. Remember, yoga is about self-discovery, growth, and finding your own unique flow. Whether you're seeking stress relief, flexibility, or a connection to your inner self, these tips will set you on the right path. Be sure to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe to Health and Wellness Tips for more yoga insights and wellness inspiration. Until next time, keep practicing, keep breathing, and keep shining.